Good morning, flamingos. How is everybody doing this morning? I hope you're ready for our calendar time. We've got a new exciting unit to talk about this week, something really interesting and fun that we think you're gonna have a good time with. Lots and lots of fun activities this week. Flappy is here to join us again this morning. And we are ready to see what day of the week it is. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. Flappy, you want to help me point this morning? All right, Flappy's got the pointer. Count along with me and Flappy as we're figuring out what day it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kiss your brains, flamingos. It is the 20th. And we need to cross it out, but I need some help figuring out which color to use to cross it out. Can you help me out? All right, let's see. We'll start our pattern. Blue, green, purple, 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 blue, green. It is a green day. Let's put our X on green 20. It is still the month of April. We've got quite a few more days left in April. But the question is, what day is it? Well, let's think about it. Yesterday, we weren't in school. It was the last day of the weekend. It was Sunday. Put on your thinking caps and let's think about what day comes after Sunday. If you said Monday, you're right. Today is Monday. We're gonna look for the word that begins with a M. Monday. Is that Monday? Nope, not Monday. Is this Monday? No, Tuesday. How about this? Is this Monday? Yep, this is Monday. It is Monday, April the 20th. And it is going to be a great week. How should we do our Days of the Week song? What do you think, Flappy? You like stomping your feet today? Should we get up to stomp our feet? Yeah, okay. We're gonna get up and we're gonna stomp our feet. You ready? I'm gonna move the camera with me and we are gonna do a little Days of the Week. Ready? Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, stomp, stomp. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, stomp, stomp. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. You know what time it is. It's time to check that weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? What's the weather like today? Well, you can see that my back patio is still wet because it rained a lot yesterday and last night, but it is not raining anymore. It is cloudy. I can see that the sun is trying to make its way through the clouds. So by the end of today, it might be sunny. But right now, we're gonna go with cloudy. Let's move our calendar. Let's find a cloudy. Here we go. All right, well, boys and girls, if you might remember last week, our letter was the letter Z, and that's the last letter of the alphabet. We have done every letter of the alphabet. And so we don't have any new friends coming into town. We don't have any friends that we haven't met yet, but we do have some old friends that we can say hello to again. And this morning, we're gonna say hello to the letter A. A for apple, A for Asa, A for alligator. And so that's gonna be our letter for today. The cool thing is every day we're gonna say hello to a new letter again, but for today, it's gonna be the letter A. Same thing with numbers. We're just gonna kind of talk about numbers. Sometimes we've done all of the numbers that we need to do in our class. Today though, we're not gonna talk about a number. We are gonna talk about what our theme is this week. And this week is known as Earth Week. I've got a picture here of the Earth. And during Earth Week, we celebrate ways that we can help save the Earth and treat our Earth with care and kindness, because we want our Earth to be here forever and ever and ever, right? But we have to help it out, because if we make too much garbage and if we treat the Earth in an unkind way, the Earth is going to get sick, and nobody wants the Earth to get sick. So this week, we are going to be doing lots of different activities that can help us think about ways that we can be green. We're going to go green, which means that we can do things to help the Earth out. And I'm going to show you some things that we do in my family to help the Earth out. First of all, we recycle, and I'm sure you recycle in your family as well. Recycling means that you take products that, like boxes and cans and things that factories can turn into something again, so they can reuse the materials. For instance, this is a paper towel tube. I've kept a few of them. Paper towel tubes are great. They are made out of a kind of cardboard or paper, and they can turn these into new products after I recycle them. Same thing with egg cartons and bottles and other containers. This is plastic, and this is a kind of plastic that can be recycled. I know that because at the very bottom, there's a little logo right there that shows that it can be recycled. That's the recycling symbol, okay? Some other fun things that I've kept, because this week we're going to be making some things with recycled projects. So I've kept some boxes. I've kept a tube. This was something neat that I found that I kept. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's a recycled product. And look at this. This came in a neat box, and I cut them out of the box. I thought I could make some recycled crowns out of these. How fun is that? So those are my recycled treasures for this week that I might be doing something fun with later on. And whatever I don't use, I can put into recycling. Now, another thing our family does to help go green and help save the Earth is we compost. That means all the food that we end up not eating, either because we've made too much or because it's gone bad, or like when you eat a banana, you can't eat the banana peel, right? So instead of throwing the banana peel in the trash, we put it inside here, and this is our compost bin. And when this bag in here gets full, it goes to a different bin outside, and all of our compost will eventually get turned into new dirt that we can use, or other people can use, for gardening and planting things. And that's another way that we can help the Earth. So those are some things that we do in our house, that not only do we do them during Earth Week, we do them all the time. And so maybe you can go home today, or you are home, maybe you can talk to mom and dad and your brothers and sisters and talk about what kinds of things you do at home to go green, to stay healthy. So keep that in mind, all right? And make sure this week that you continue to collect all of your recycling materials, because we have some really, really fun projects to do with things like the things that I just showed you, where we're gonna get to build and explore and do neat things with recycling. And think about ways that you can help keep the Earth green and healthy. That's it for now, flamingos. Oh, wait, nope, it's not it for now. Let's say our morning blessing. All right, prayer hands together. Good morning, dear Jesus. This day is for you. We ask that you bless all we say, think, and do. And dear God, look over us and our earth and help keep all of us healthy and safe, and help us think of ways that we can continue to help the earth stay healthy so that it never gets sick. And look over all of the creatures and the plants and everything that is part of God's world. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, now, flamingos, see you later. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.